hundreds and thousands cookies. Now, my nieces love this recipe, so I'm sure you will love it too. Now, for this recipe, I'm going to be using wholemeal spelt flour, but you can use whatever flour you have in the cupboard at home. I'm going to be using some acai berry powder because it's going to add a nice pink color to my cookies. I've got the vegan protein powder, the vanilla flavor here, a little bit of salt. I've got some coconut oil. I'm using honey as my sweetener of choice. However, you can use rice malt syrup or maple syrup for this one. I've got some white chocolate chips here, a little drizzle of vanilla. I've got some desiccated coconut, some baking powder, and of course my hundreds and thousands. Now to make it, it's really easy. So first you're going to add in all your dry ingredients into a big bowl, mix it until it's well combined, and then you're going to pour in all your wet ingredients, mix it until it becomes a nice sticky texture, and then you're going to roll that into little balls, flatten them down in your lined tray, pop them in the oven, and they're going to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes.